Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 83, sales tax. As you've had the experience, sometimes when you're off purchasing items, say at the store or at Target or at Walmart, you'll get up to the counter and what's the price on the shelf when you purchase it is not what you've paid for. And that is because the price on the shelf is for that item, and then we add sales tax. Sales tax is issued by the government, and it funds a lot of different things that make our world better. That being said, you need to know how to handle sales tax. So let's begin with our vocabulary. Our vocabulary is sales tax is an extra amount of money that sometimes must be paid when an item is purchased. Now, let's begin with our first example. Yin bought 6 bolts, price.
Logan Thomas, please come to the rotunda.
Love it.
Logan Thomas, please meet your mom in the rotunda.
Okay. Yin bought 6 bolts, priced at 89 cents each. The total sales tax was 32 cents. How much did Yin spend in all? The first thing we need to do is find the cost of 6 bolts by multiplying. So I have my decimal of 89 cents. I'm going to put that right there, and I multiply it by 6. Now guys, we have to really think about our 6 times tables so that we are very accurate. 6 times 9 is 54. I'm going to put my 5 up here. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. So I'm going to put my 3 right here, and we have a 0 right here. I'm going to put my 5 here, and I'm going to say 5. And we put our decimal right here. So for 6 bolts, it's $5.34. The next thing is then we add the sales tax, and it says the total sales tax. So for the whole thing is going to be 32 cents. So we add this. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Here's our decimal, and we pull the 5. So Yin spent $5.66 total for his bolts. Let's try another one. If you notice, there's a formula here. Takeo bought a blouse priced at $25. The sales tax rate was 8 cents per dollar. How much tax did Takeo pay? So 8 cents for every dollar. Then you have your tax. And so if he paid if the price was $25, then we would multiply that by 0.8. Let's do this. Oh, here we go. 5. And this is going to give us the amount of tax, not the whole thing. So 8 times 5 is 40. We put our 4 right here. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4 is 2. And we put our thing down. We don't have to go with the next set of zeros. So for $25, for 8 cents per dollar, Takeo will spend $2. We'll have to spend an additional $2 for tax, which means Takeo will spend $25 plus $2. So the blouse that was purchased is $25 sales price on the rack, but when you add in the tax, it is 20 This is why it's handy to factor in sales tax when you're shopping so that you know exactly what you're going to be spending. Let's try another example. Morgan bought a pair of pants priced at $23.99. The sales tax was $1.56. Morgan paid the sales clerk $40. How much money should she get back? So we have to do two things. First off, I'm taking $23.99 and I'm going to add $1, the tax of $1.56. I add that up. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry our 1. We have another 15. Carry our 1. We have another 5. It seems like we've got a whole slew of 5s. So $2.55 is what she has to pay. She gives the clerk $40. So we subtract $2. Oh, guys, are we ready for all this regrouping? And I did not put up enough space here, so pardon me while we kind of mess up our writing. Let's begin. I'm going to have to regroup everything. 3, 9, 9, 10. Now we're ready to go. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Remember our decimal. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So she will get $14.45 back. I've got to check my notes and make sure I did this correctly. Yes, we did. And there you have it, the beginnings of this conversation about tax and how to think about it, remembering it when you make purchases. This will pop up from time to time on Saxon tests where they'll give you amount of products and then they'll say, and the sales tax was this. Make sure that you read carefully what they want on the tests or on your problems, that you are adding the sales tax at the correct time. Generally, it will be at the end, but that is all mattering. That all depends on how you read the problem. So have a good day and good luck on the practice set.